Hello everybody, I am glad you have joined me for yet another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, your teacher, Mwari wa Magi. In our previous lesson, we had a look at the days of the week, the months, and the times of the day. I hope you're practicing. And now our lesson will focus on the body parts of a human being. The human being in Kikuyu is modo. Modo. The body is muere. Muere. Therefore, the human body in Kikuyu is muere wa modo. Muere wa modo. A part of the body is called kega. Kega. And when there are many, they are called siega. Siega. And now to our lesson today, we have siega siamuere, meaning body parts. Siega siamuere. Starting from the very top, we have the head, which is motoe. Motoe. Hair is juere. Juere. Face is odio. Odio. Forehead is gedidi. Gedidi. Eye is rido. Rido. And when there are many, then they are maido. Maido. The eyelashes and the brows have the same name as butu. Butu. While the nose is inioro. Inioro. The plural for nose is noses, therefore manioro. Manioro. One ear is goto. Goto. And a pair is mato. Mato. A tooth is igego. Igego. And the teeth are magego. Magego. The tongue is rurimi. Rurimi. Many tongues are nimi. Nimi. Cheek is ikai. Ikai. And many cheeks are makai. Makai. The gum is known as keni. Keni. The lip is keromo. Keromo. Many lips, iromo. Iromo. Dimples are doni. Doni. The beard is deru. Deru. The chin is kereru. Kereru. The mouth is kanua. Kanua. And now, having looked at the head, we are going to focus on the upper body, which we are going to call naigoro. Naigoro. The neck is called gigo. Gigo. The shoulder is called kiade. Kiade when it is one. And siade. Siade when there are two or more. The breast is called nyodo. Nyodo. And even when there are many, they are still nyodo. It remains the same. The back is mogogo. Mogogo. And the plural is migogo, migogo. The arm is guoko, guoko, and the plural is moko, moko. The armpit is jegeke, jegeke, and also when there are many, is still jegeke. The elbow is kigokora, kigokora, and the plural for elbows is igokora, igokora. The palm is rohe, rohe, and the plural is he, he. One finger is kara ga guoko, kara ga guoko, and twara twa moko, twara twa moko when they are many. The nail is roara, roara, and doara when they are many, doara. The chest is githuri, githuri, and the plural is idhuri, idhuri. The tummy is da, da. The navel is mokonyo, mokonyo. The waist is johero, johero. From the waist, we go to the lower body where we say nade, nade. And here we start with the thigh, which is quiero, quiero. And ciero when they are many, ciero. The knee is iru, iru, while a pair or more will give you maru, maru. The leg is kogoro, kogoro, and the plural is magoro, magoro. The foot is ronyarere, ronyarere, and nyarere, nyarere, meaning feet. The sole is ikinya, ikinya, and the plural is makinya, makinya. The ankle is dhongwa, dhongwa. This is for singular or plural. The heel is dira, dira, and this also goes for singular and plural. One toe is kara ga kogoro, kara ga kogoro, and the plural is twara twa magoro, twara twa magoro. For the weightlifters, we have bicep going as gisoka, gisoka, and isoka, isoka for plural. The skin is gothi, gothi. If you happen to have a mark on your skin, it's called kirema, kirema. And the plural will be irema, irema. And on that note, we have come to the end of our lesson for now. My sincere hope that you will be able to name your way through the body parts in Kikuyu. And please join me again for Let's Learn Kikuyu as we focus on the inner body parts and the diseases that affect them. For this and much more, from me, it's goodbye.